Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, The Knowledge Library. Today we are going to discuss some of the important MCQs from the chapter Plant Kingdom, which will be very helpful for your NEET preparations. So let's start. Our first question is, the role of double fertilization in angiosperms is to produce option A, endosperm, option B, anteguments, option C, cotyledons, option D, endocarp. The correct answer is option A, endosperms. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is a resurrection plant? Option A, Lycopodium, option B, Selaginella, option C, Rhinia, and option D, Marsilia. The correct answer is option B, Selectlelena. Moving on to the next question. Algae used in the space program is option A, Fucus, option B, Volvox, option C, Clenamydomus, option D, Chlorella. The correct answer is option D, Chlorella. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is not the feature of a gymnosperm? Option A, parallel venation, option B, perennial plants, option C, distinct branches, and option D, xylem with vessels. The correct answer is option D, xylem with vessels. Moving on to the next question. In the penis, the male cone bears a large number of option A, legules, option B, anthers, option C, microsporophiles, and option D, megasporophiles. The correct answer is option C, microsporophiles. Moving on to the next question. In gymnosperms, ovules are option A, covered, option B, necked, option C, single coat, and option D, imbricate. The correct answer is option B, necked. Moving on to the next question. Laminaria and fucus are the examples of option A, red algae, option B, brown algae, option C, green algae, and option D, golden brown algae. The correct answer is option B, brown algae. Moving on to the next question. The tallest angiosperm is option A, eucalyptus, option B, redwood tree, option C, oak tree, and option D, pinus. The correct answer is option A, eucalyptus. Moving on to the next question. Seaweeds are an important source of what? Option A, chlorine, option B, fluorine, option C, iodine, and option D, bromine. The correct answer is option C, iodine. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is a fatty oil yielding plant? Option A, sunflower, option B, acacia, option C, butea, and option D, casuarina. The correct answer is option A, sunflower. Moving on to the next question. The red color of the rhodophyta is due to the presence of option A, phycobilins, option B, phycocyanin, option C, phycoerythrin, and option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, phycoerythrin. The next question. The present day higher green plants are believed to have evolved from option A, ferns, option B, green algae, option C, liverwort, and option D, mosses. The correct answer is option A, ferns. Moving on to the next question. The largest flower found is known as option A, Rafflesia, option B, Teucoma, option C, Musa, and option D, cauliflower. The correct answer is option A, Rafflesia. Moving on to the next question. Chloroplasts of Spirogera have option A, spiral margin, option B, smooth or waxy margin, option C, smooth margin, and option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, spiral margin. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is a autotroph? Option A, virus, option B, mycoplasma, option C, nostoc, and option D, all of these. The correct answer is option C, nostoc. Moving on to the next question. Fern plant is a option A, haploid gametophyte, option B, diploid gametophyte, option C, diploid sporophyte, and option D, haploid sporophyte. The correct answer is option C, diploid sporophyte. Moving on to the next question. Pre-fertilized endosperm is characterized by option A, pteridophytes, option B, angiosperms, option C, gymnosperms, option D, bryophytes. The correct answer is option C, gymnosperms. Moving on to the next question. Besides paddy fields, cyanobacteria are also found inside the vegetative part of option A, Cycas, option B, Equisetum, option C, Silotum, and option D, Pinus. The correct answer is option A, Cycas. Moving on to the next question. Isogamous condition with non-flagellated gametes is found in option A, Spirogera, option B, Volvox, option C, Fucus, and option D, Chlamydomonas. The correct answer is option A, Spirogera. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is not correctly matched for the organism and its cell wall degrading enzyme? Option A, plant cells and cellulose, option B, algae and methylase, option C, fungi and chitinase, and option D, bacteria and lysozyme. The correct answer is option B, algae and methylase. Moving on to the next question. The plant body is thalloid in option A, Funaria, option B, Sphagnum, option C, Salvinia, and option D, Marcantia. The correct answer is option D, Marcantia. Moving on to the next question. What is common in all three, that is Funaria, Diropteris, and Ginkgo? Option A, independent sporophyte, option B, presence of archegonia, option C, well developed vascular tissues, and option D, independent gametophyte. The correct answer is option B, presence of archegonia. The next question, which one of the following is wrongly matched? Option A, nostoc and water blooms. Option B, Spirogera and motile gametes. Option C, sargassum and chlorophyll. Option D, basidiomyces and puffballs. The correct answer is option B, Spirogera and motile gametes. The next question is, which one of the following shows isogamy with non-flagellated gametes? Option A, sargassum. Option B, ectocarpus. Option C, eulothrix. And option D, Spirogera. The correct answer is option D, Spirogera. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is responsible for the peat formation? Option A, Markensia. Option B, Riccia. Option C, Funaria. And option D, Sphagnum. The correct answer is option D, Sphagnum. Moving on to the next question. An alga that can be employed as a food for the human being is option A, eulothrix. Option B, chlorexla. Option C, Spirogera. And option D, Polysiphonia. The correct answer is option B, chlorella. Moving on to the next question. In which of the following gametophyte it is not independent free living? Option A, Markensia. Option B, Petris. Option C, Pinus. And option D, Funaria. The correct answer is option C, Pinus. Moving on to the next question. Male gametes are flagellated in option A, Amebia. Option B, Ectocarpus. Option C, Spirogera. And option D, Polysiphonia. The correct answer is option B, Ectocarpus. Moving on to the next question. In angiosperms, microsporogenesis and megasporogenesis, option A, takes place from gametes without further division. Option B, involves meiosis. Option C, occurs in ovule. And option D, occurs in anther. The correct answer is option B, it involves meiosis. Moving on to the next question. In bryophytes and petridophytes, transport of male gametes require option A, wind. Option B, insects. Option C, birds. And option D, water. The correct answer is option D, water. Moving on to the next question. An example of colonial alga is option A, Volvox. Option B, Eulothrix. Option C, Spirogera. And option D, Chlorella. The correct answer is option A, Volvox. Moving on to the next question. Zygotic meiosis is a characteristic of option A, fucus. Option B, Funaria. Option C, Chlamydomonas. And option D, Markensia. The correct answer is option C, Chlamydomonas. Moving on to the next question. Fertilization is exhibited by option A, algae. Option B, fungi. Option C, angiosperms. And option D, gymnosperms. The correct answer is option C, angiosperms. Moving on to the next question. Cyanobacteria are classified under option A, Protista, option B, Plantae, option C, Monera, and option D, Algae. The correct answer is option C, Monera. Moving on to the next question. Fusion of two motile gametes which are dissimilar in size is termed as option A, ogamy, option B, isogamy, option C, anisogamy, and option D, zoogamy. The correct answer is option C, anisogamy. Moving on to the next question. Holdfast, stipe, and frond constitutes the plant body in case of option A, Rhodophyceae, option B, Chlorophyceae, option C, Haeophyceae, and option D, all of these. The correct answer is option C, Haeophyceae. The next question is, the embryo sac of an angiosperm is made up of option A, 8 cells, option B, 7 cells and 8 nuclei, option C, 8 nuclei, and option D, 7 cells and 7 nuclei. The correct answer is option B, 7 cells and 8 nuclei. Moving on to the next question. If the diploid number of a flowering plant is 36, what would be the chromosome number in its endosperm? Option A, 36, option B, 18, option C, 54, and option D, 72. The correct answer is option C, 54. Moving on to the next question. The protonema is option A haploid and is found in mosses, option B, diploid and is found in liverworts, option C, diploid and is found in perithrophytes, and option D, haploid and is found in the pteridophytes. The correct answer is option A, haploid and is found in mosses. The next question is, the giant redwood tree is an option A, angiosperm, option B, free fern, option C, pteridophyte, and option D, gymnosperm. The correct answer is option D, gymnosperm. Moving on to the next question. Red algae have green chlorophyll that is like the one present in option A, green algae, option B, cyanobacteria, option C, mosses, and option D, higher plants. The correct answer is option B, cyanobacteria. Moving on to the next question. Which one of the following is generally found in cool seas? Option A, red algae, option B, brown algae, option C, green algae, and option D, blue-green algae. The correct answer is option B, brown algae. Moving on to the next question. Floridian starch is found in option A, red algae, option B, brown algae, option C, green algae, and option D, blue-green algae. The correct answer is option A, red algae. Moving on to the next question. Fucoxanthin is found in option A, red algae, option B, brown algae, option C, green algae, and option D, blue-green algae. The correct answer is option B, brown algae. Moving on to the next question. The zoospore of Ulothrix has option A 1 flagellum, option B 2 flagellum, option C 3 flagella, and option D 4 flagella. The correct answer is option D 4 flagella. Moving on to the next question. Which one of the following does not have flagellated male gamete? Option A red algae, option B brown algae, option C mosses, and option D green algae. The correct answer is option A red algae. Moving on to the next question. Which one of the following groups lead to the evolution of land plants? Option A Rhodophyta, option B Phaeophyta, option C Chlorophyta, and option D Cyanophyta. The correct answer is option C Chlorophyta. Moving on to the next question. A distinct feature of bryophytes when compared to other green plants is that they have option A produce spores, option B have sporophyte attached to the gametophyte, option C lack xylem, and option D lack roots. The correct answer is option B have sporophyte attached to the gametophyte. Moving on to the next question. The first land inhabiting plants are option A Petridophytes, option B Bryophytes, option C Gymnosperms, and option D Angiosperms. The correct answer is option A Peridophytes. The next question, which of the following is not a characteristic feature of bryophytes? Option A presence of archaic guana, option B water is essential for fertilization, option C an independent photosynthetic sporophyte, and option D motile sperms. The correct answer is option C an independent photosynthetic sporophyte. Moving on to the next question. Which one of the following bryophyte is of great economic importance? Option A Funaria, option B liverworts, option C sphagnum, and option D chondrus. The correct answer is option C sphagnum. Moving on to the next question. Water is essential for the life cycle of Funaria because option A it will dry without water, option B fertilization takes place in water, option C it is a hydrophyte, and option C the growth will remain stunted in the absence of water. The correct answer is option B fertilization takes place in water. The next question is the protonema of moss is option A diploid, option B haploid, option C sporophyte, and option D sporangium. The correct answer is option A diploid. Moving on to the next question. The male gametophyte in higher plants is represented by option A microspore, option B anther, option C pollen grain, and option D male gamete. The correct answer is option C pollen grain. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following conditions is found in Pinus but not Petris? The correct option A conducting tissue, option B uncovered seeds, option C presence of sporangia, and option D secondary growth. The correct answer is option B uncovered seeds. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is an amphibian of the plant kingdom? Option A, red algae. Option B, fungi. Option C, moss. And option D, pines. The correct answer is option C, moss. Moving on to the next question. A pinus does not have. Option A, resin calans. Option B, xylem tracheids. Option C, ovuliferous scales. And option D, two cotyledons. The correct answer is option D, two cotyledons. Moving on to the next question. Gymnosperms do not bear fruits because. Option A, they are not pollinated. Option B, they lack ovary. Option C, they produce spores. And option D, they do not have seeds. The correct answer is option B, they lack ovary. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following has a dominant sporophytic generation? Option A, Dryopeptrus. Option B, Funaria. Option C, Spirogera. And option D, liverworts. The correct answer is option A, Dryopeptrus. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following groups produce seeds but lacks flowers? Option A, bryophytes. Option B, fungi. Option C, pteridophytes. And option D, gymnosperms. The correct answer is option D, gymnosperms. Moving on to the next question. Iris moss is the common name of a particular what? Option A, algae. Option B, moss. Option C, lichen. And option D, fungi. Correct answer is option A, algae. Moving on to the next question. Agar-agar is produced from. Option A, blue-green algae. Option B, red algae. Option C, brown algae. And option D, green algae. The correct answer is option B, red algae. Moving on to the next question. Kelp is a kind of. Option A, an aquatic plant. Option B, a moss. Option C, an algae. And option D, a fungus. The correct answer is option C, an algae. Moving on to the next question. Cuscuta is a. Option A, xerophyte. Option B, parasite. Option C, sporophyte. And option D, epiphyte. The correct answer is option B, parasite. Moving on to the next question. The pitcher plant is an example of. Option A, autotrophic. Option B, saprophytic. Option C, parasitic. And option D, insectivorous. The correct answer is option D, insectivorous. Moving on to the next question. The sporangia of a fern develop on. Option A, roots. Option B, stems. Option C, rhizoids. And option D, leaves. The correct answer is option D, leaves. Moving on to the next question. An ovule is the equivalent of option A megasporangium, option B megasporophile, option C megaspore, and option D female gamete. The correct answer is option A megasporangium. Moving on to the next question. In Pinus, the fertilization takes place in the option A first year cone, option B second year cone, option C third year cone, and option D microsporangia. The correct answer is option B second year cone. Moving on to the next question. Wolffia is a small plant about 1 millimeter in diameter, which is an example of option A moss, option B pteridophyte, option C gymnosperm, and option D angiosperm. The correct answer is option D angiosperm. Moving on to the next question. Carpels of angiosperms are equivalent to option A sporophyte, option B sporangia, option C spore, and option D zygospore. The correct answer is option A sporophyte. Moving on to the next question. A monocot angiosperm has option A taproot, option B corolla in sets of 5, option C scattered vascular bundles, and option D 6 groups of xylem. The correct answer is option C scattered vascular bundles. Moving on to the next question. A plant showing reticulate venation and a woody stem is option A pteridophyte, option B gymnosperm, option C monocot, and option D dicot. The correct answer is option D dicot. Moving on to the next question. Chilgozas are the seeds of option A monocot, option B a dicot, option C conifer, and option D false fruit. The correct answer is option C conifer. Moving on to the next question. Frond is a term given to the leaves of option A moss, option B fern, option C conifer, and option D angiosperm. The correct answer is option B a fern. Moving on to the next question. The group of plants having vascular tissue is called option A bryophyta, option B pteridophyta, option C angiosperms, and option D tracheophyta. The correct answer is option D tracheophyta. Moving on to the next question. Which group has seeds enclosed in fruits? Option A gymnosperm, option B angiospermae, option C phanerogamae, and option D pteridophytes. The correct answer is option B angiospermae. Moving on to the next question. Ferns belong to the following group. Option A Thallophyta, option B Bryophyta, option C Pteridophyta, and option D Gymnosperm. The correct answer is option C Pteridophyta. Moving on to the next question. Lichens have a symbiotic relationship with option A algae and bacteria, option B algae and fungus, option C bacteria and fungus, and option D fern and bacteria. The correct answer is option B algae and fungus. Moving on to the next question. Dicotyledon plants generally have option A fibrous roots, option B pentamerous flowers, option C parallel venation in leaves, and option D trimerous flowers. The correct answer is option B pentamerous flowers. Moving on to the next question. Mushroom belongs to the group option A algae, option B fungi, option C lichens, and option D bryophyta. The correct answer is option B fungi. Moving on to the next question. Both chlorophyll A and B are present in option A Rhodophyceae, option B Phaeophyceae, option C Chlorophyceae, and option D none of these. The correct answer is option C Chlorophyceae. Moving on to the next question. Bryophytes can be separated from algae because they have option A thylakoid forms, option B they have no conducting tissue, option C they possess archegonia, and option D they contain chloroplast. The correct answer is option C they produce archegonia. Moving on to the next question. The female reproductive part of bryophytes is option A Antheridium, option B Ogonium, option C Archegonium, and option D Sporangium. The correct answer is option C Archegonium. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is called amphibian of the plant kingdom? Option A bryophytes, option B pteridophytes, option C gymnosperms, and option D algae. The correct answer is option A bryophytes. The next question is bryophytes are of option A great economic value, option B no value at all, option C great ecological importance, and option D a lot of aesthetic value. The correct answer is option C a great ecological importance. Moving on to the next question. The common characteristic between bryophytes and pteridophytes are option A vascularization, option B terrestrial habit, option C water for fertilization, option D independent sporophyte. The correct answer is option C water for fertilization. Moving on to the next question. The plant group that produces spores and embryo but lacks vascular tissue and seeds is option A Pteridophyta, option B Rhodophyta, option C Bryophyta, and option D Phaeophyta. The correct answer is option C Bryophyta. Moving on to the next question. A plant having seeds but lacking flowers and fruits belongs to option A Pteridophytes, option B mosses, option C ferns, and option D gymnosperm. The correct answer is option D gymnosperms. Moving on to the next question. Agar is commercially obtained from option A red algae, Option B, green algae. Option C, brown algae. And option D, blue-green algae. The correct answer is option A, red algae. Moving on to the next question. Brown algae are characterized by the presence of option A, phycocyanin. Option B, phycoerythrin. Option C, fucoxanthin. And option D, hematochrome. The correct answer is option C, fucoxanthin. Moving on to the next question. Chloroplast of Chlamydomonas is option A, stellate. Option B, cup shaped. Option C, collar shaped. And option D, spiral. The correct answer is option B, cup shaped. Moving on to the next question. Sexual reproduction involving the fusion of two cells in the Chlamydomonas is called option A, isogamy. Option B, homogamy. Option C, somatogamy. And option D, hologamy. The correct answer is option A, isogamy. Moving on to the next question. Prothallus gives rise to fern plant without fertilization. It is called option A, apospory. Option B, apogamy. Option C, parthenocarpy. And option D, parthenogenesis. The correct answer is option B, apogamy. Moving on to the next question. Moss peristome takes part in option A, spore dispersal. Option B, photosynthesis. Option C, protection. And option D, absorption. The correct answer is option A, spore dispersal. Moving on to the next question. Which one of the following is a living fossil? Option A, Pinus. Option B, Opuntia. Option C, Ginkgo. And option D, Thuja. The correct answer is option C, Ginkgo. Moving on to the next question. Blue-green algae belongs to option A, eukaryotes. Option B, prokaryotes. Option C, rhodophycia. And option D, chlorophycia. The correct answer is option B, prokaryotes. Moving on to the next question. Dichotomous branching is found in option A, fern. Option B, funaria. Option C, liverworts. Option D, Markensia. The correct answer is option D, Markensia. Moving on to the next question. Floridian starch is found in option A, chlorophycia. Option B, rhodophycia. Option C, myzophycia. And option C, cyanophycia. The correct answer is option B, rhodophycia. Moving on to the next question. Cycas have two cotyledons but not included in the angiosperms because of option A, necked ovules. Option B, seems like monocot. Option C, succinate tyxis. Option D, compound leaves. The correct answer is option A, necked ovules. Moving on to the next question. Peat moss is used as packing material for sending flowers and live plants to distant places because option A, it is hygroscopic. Option B, it reduces transpiration. Option C, it serves as a disinfectant. Option D, it is easily available. The correct answer is option A, it is hygroscopic. Moving on to the next question. In angiosperms, functional megaspore develops into option A, embryo sac. Option B, ovule. Option C, endosperm. And option D, pollen sac. The correct answer is option A, embryo sac. Moving on to the next question. In gymnosperms like Pinus and Cycas, the endosperm is option A, triploid. Option B, haploid. Option C, diploid. And option D, tetraploid. The correct answer is option B, haploid. Moving on to the next question. Protonema occurs in the life cycle of option A, Riccia. Option B, Funaria. Option C, Equistrum. And option D, Spirogyra. The correct answer is option B, Funaria. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following cannot fix nitrogen? Option A, nostoc. Option B, azotobacter. Option C, Spirogyra. And option D, Anabaena. The correct answer is option C, Spirogyra. Moving on to the next question. An alga very rich in protein is called option A, Spirogyra. Option B, Eulothrix. Option C, Oscillatoria. And option D, Chlorella. The correct answer is option D, Chlorella. Moving on to the next question. Which one of the following plants is a monoequous? Option A, Pinus. Option B, Cycas. Option C, Fucus. And option D, Markensia. The correct answer is option A, Pinus. Moving on to the next question. The attachment structure found in lichens is option A, rhizomes. Option B, hold fast. Option C, both of these. And option D, rhizosphere. The correct answer is option C, both of these. Moving on to the next question. Bioindicators are option A, lichens tracing the presence of pollution. Option B, fossil lichens. Option C, a special type of litmus paper. And option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, lichens tracing the presence of pollution. Moving on to the next question. Which commonly known as peat moss or bog moss? Option A, Selagnina. Option B, Equisetum. Option C, Laminaria. And option D, Sphagnum. The correct answer is option C, Laminaria. Moving on to the next question. Which is commonly known as liverwort? Option A, Funaria. Option B, Markensia. Option C, Anthocera. Option D, Sphagnum. The correct answer is option B, Markensia. Moving on to the next question. Sporophyte is dependent on gametophyte because option A, bryophytes. Option A, gymnosperms. Option C, angiosperms. And option D, pteridophytes. The correct answer is option A, bryophytes. Moving on to the next question. The rhizospore is not a true root because it is option A, endogenous, option B, exogenous, option C, mesogenous, and option D, endark. The correct answer is option B, exogenous. Moving on to the next question. Seed habit first originated in option A, certain pteridophytes, option A, certain pines, option C, certain monocots, and option D, certain dicots. The correct answer is option A, certain pteridophytes. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following plants exhibit independent alteration of generation? Option A, angiosperms, option B, gymnosperms, option C, pteridophytes, and option D, bryophytes. The correct answer is option C, pteridophytes. Moving on to the next question. Maiden hair fern is option A, Dryopeptris, option B, Azolla, option C, Adiantum, and option D, Petris. The correct answer is option C, Adiantum. Moving on to the next question. Sporocarp is a reproductive structure of option A, some algae, option B, some aquatic ferns having sori, option C, angiosperms having spores, and option D, bryophytes. The correct answer is option B, some aquatic ferns having sori. Moving on to the next question. Prothallus means option A, immature gametophyte, option B, immature sporophyte, option C, immature archegonium, and option D, none of these. The correct answer is option D, none of these. Moving on to the next question. Fruits are not formed in gymnosperms because of option A, absence of pollination, option B, absence of seed, option C, absence of fertilization, and option D, absence of ovary. The correct answer is option D, absence of ovary. Moving on to the next question. Gymnosperms seeds are said to be necked because they option A, do not have ovule, option B, do not have an ovary, option C, do not contain angiosperm, and option D, do not contain starch. The correct answer is option B, they do not have an ovary. Moving on to the next question. The embryo sac in an angiosperm is a option A, megasporangium, option B, megaspore mother cell, option C, megagametophyte, and option D, megaspore. The correct answer is option C, megagametophyte.
Like, share and subscribe our channel.